his bone. There it is. Oh my god, you're trying to tell him like I've got it for you. Okay, now they're playing tug of war. Yeah, I'm making this video right now. I'll send it to you. Well, call me when you get to Mom and Dad's. Alright, cool. Love you, bye. Are you going to give that to Lou? Mitch, are you right there? Yeah. Are you watching this? Look at her. Is it sweet? Take it gently, Lou. Good boy. Ella, that was so sweet. Say yay. Oh. Liz, I think she wants it back. Who's there? Is it Daddy? Yay, that's for Lewis. Now give it back to him, El. Yay. Give it to him, El. Oops. Oh, kisses for everyone. Did you guys give each other kisses? Get his bone for him, El. Oh my god, this is so funny, Mitch. Oh, good girl, El. Now you found something there, huh? Yeah, say yay. Clap your hands.